Politicians and diapers must be changed often and for the same reason. Life is short, break the rules, forgive quickly, kiss slowly, love truly, laugh uncontrollably, and never regret anything that makes you smile. I was educated once, it took me years to get over it. Why waste your money looking up your family tree? Just go into politics and your opponent will do it for you. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. Good decisions comes from experience. Experience comes from making bad decisions. Give every day the chance to become the most beautiful day of your life. When I was 17, my father was stupid. I don't want to sing with him in public. When I was 24, I was amazed at how much the old man had learned in just 7 years. If you don't read the newspaper, you are uninformed. If you read the newspaper, you are misinformed. How easy it is to make people believe a lie, and how hard it is to undo the work again. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. If you want to change the future, you must change what you are doing in the present. If voting made any difference, they would not let us do it. The older I get, the more clearly I remember things that never happened. It is better to be an optimist who is sometimes wrong than pessimist who is always right. If we are made to talk more than listen, we would have 2 mouths and 1 ear. Some people bring joy wherever they go, and some people bring joy whenever they go. To be great, truly great, you have to be the kind of person who makes others around you great. Comment down your favorite quote and share this video with your achiever mindset friend.